In this video, we're going to show you how you can use the integration module in MTM.Design to send a welcome email to all of your new clients. But before we look at how we do this, let's look at what the final result is going to be. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new client here. So I'm creating a new client. Clyde Martin here lives in Ontario. So I'm going to create the client and save. And then once that's done, an email is going to be sent to the client. So this is the email that was sent automatically. So dear Clyde, thank you for choosing So Custom in Springfield for your made-to-measure clothing needs. We're thrilled to have the opportunity to provide you with a customized experience tailored to your unique style and preferences. So the email goes on and on about the Instagram and Facebook and everything else. So in order to achieve this, what you are going to need first is a Zapier account. So if you don't already have an account, head to Zapier.com, click on sign up or log in if you already have one. I already have an account, so I'm going to log in. Zapier is a no-code automation tool that lets you connect different apps together into automated workflows. So basically automations. So this is exactly what we're going to do. We're going to create an automation, which is called a Zap in Zapier. So click on create a Zap. And then in the list of triggers, you are going to select webhook. So here in the search bar, just look for webhook. And we are going to create a new webhook. In the drop down here for choose event, you're going to select catch hook, not catch raw hook, really the third one here. And then Zapier is going to create a dedicated URL for you so we can post the information from MTM.Design to Zapier. So copy this URL here, and you're going to send this to help@MTM.Design. So that we can set this up for you. So let me show you. So we just send an email to help@MTM.Design. Can you please add this URL to my webhook for client creation? That's the important part here. You just paste your URL and send this to help. Once it is added to your account, we will notify you in your email, and then you can continue in Zapier. So once that's done, we need to test the trigger. So we're going to click on test trigger, and then you're going to log into your MTM account and create a new client, and Zapier will get the information. So let's do this. So I'm going to click on new client and create a new client. So this is my new client, William Johnston. I have an email address, word of mouth is the type of reference, and so on. So I'm going to save. Once that's done, I can go back in Zapier, and we will normally get information from that webhook. So it caught it, it's just here. So we see William Johnston, we have the information, the address, the email is here, phone number is here, and so on. So we can go to the next step, which is going to be creating an email. So from here, since I use Gmail, I'm going to select Gmail, but you could also use Outlook here or Office 365, depending on which email client you use, or you could also use an SMTP server or an IMAP server, if you know how that works. So I'm going to go with Gmail. And then I've already configured my account in Zapier, so I don't have to. If you haven't, you're going to have to click here to configure it. In the event section, we're going to select send email and then continue. And then we're going to write our email. So I'm going to select choose account and continue. Once that's done, let's write our email. So in the to section, we're going to go in what we caught on the webhook. So let's go down the list and try to find the email address here. So that's the to. We're not going to put any CC or BCC from. I'm just going to write my name here. Sorry, like this. Put my email address and then my name. That's my name. And then I'm going to write my email. So the subject is going to be welcome to So Custom in Springfield. Body type, I'm going to select plain because I don't want to put any HTML in there. In my body, I already have my email, so I'm going to paste that here. Then I'm going to replace client name, of course, with the client's name. So down here, I'm going to do name. So first name, William. Remove some of these here, make it look pretty. And I'm going to put my name here. That's it for the email. Signature, I'm not going to choose any signature, mailbox either, or attachment. I'm going to leave all of these empty. And now I can test it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on test action. And what this is going to do is it's going to use my Gmail account and send an email. So let me show you what happened here. So this is a message that was sent. So you can see it in my sent mailbox. So dear William, thank you for choosing So Custom in Springfield, and so on. Best regards, Eric, So Custom in Springfield. So that part is done and it looked like it worked. So let's go back in Zapier. I can do publish Zap, turn it on. This is going to turn green. And I am going to rename the Zap so it has a name so I remember what that is. That's going to be welcome email to all new clients from MTM.Design. And then that's it. Thanks for watching.